Om Aim Hrim Klim Sau. Sit in a relaxing way. Stretch your legs out. Fold your left leg and bring the heel close to the bum. Fold your right leg. Place it on your left side. Keep your back straight. While you inhale, raise the arms shoulder level. And while you exhale, twist your body. Keep your left arm on the thigh, right arm at the back, close to the bum. Keep breathing. Try to relax your face. And remember, don't struggle with the pose. You can even close the eyes and stay focused. You can focus on your breath. Hold the pose for a while. And then inhale, raise the arms shoulder level. Stretch your arms and exhale. Reverse. Chain the leg. This time, hold your right leg straight. Place it close to the bum. And then fold your left leg and keep the foot close to the right thigh. Inhale, raise the arms shoulder level. While you exhale, twist your body. Right arm on the thigh, left arm at the back. Turn your head to the left side. Keep breathing. You should relax your face. Don't struggle with the pose. Hold for a while. Keep breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms and exhale. And slowly release your legs. You can place the palms either on your knee or place the palms behind you. Sit in a relaxing way. Let the body relax completely.